If you think you have to travel to Iceland or Tokyo or some exotic location to capture the most beautiful photos, then you've been lied to. The truth is, some of the most amazing photos have been taken in the most boring locations. Not because of luck or skill, it's because the photographer knows what to look for when they get to a location that's not very inspiring. So today, I'm going to explain how you can adapt and transform your photography in the most boring places. You can start taking beautiful professional images like these literally anywhere you go. I'll show you how to find beauty and strong compositions in your everyday environment. Even if you live in a quiet town, a suburban street, or just in a place that you think you've photographed to death. I've come into my hometown of Kendal, and I'm going to challenge myself to do the same thing. I don't expect to get any masterpieces, but I just wanted to show you a few areas which you might not normally think of looking at, where you could get some interesting photos. And the first one is something that most towns have, which is a car park. The great thing about car parks is, especially multi-storey car parks, is even on really dull days like it is today, you always get dark and light areas because they tend to have artificial lighting or they have some side lighting, so you can play with those. And I found a great spot here with this nice painted pathway to lead me into the frame. I just need somebody to walk through my shot. We often think that a stunning photo needs a stunning subject, a mountain range, a cathedral, a fabulous skyline. But in truth, light is what will transform your photos. It'll turn the ordinary into extraordinary. You see, most people wander around looking for subjects, buildings, objects, people, and completely overlook the light. But as a professional photographer, I know that light is the real subject. So don't wait for the perfect weather, that golden sunset or sunrise. Instead, learn to see the quality and the direction of the light. Side light creates texture. Backlight creates drama and silhouettes. Reflected light softens shadows in those harsh lighting conditions. Next time you walk through your neighbourhood, have this thought in mind. Where does the light look interesting? Not what looks interesting. Once you tune into the light, you'll see photo opportunities everywhere. Not just when you travel. You can find them on your own doorstep. You'll learn how to chase the light, not the locations. And if you'd like to improve how you use light in your photos, make sure you grab a free copy of my ebook, How to See Light Like a Pro. There's a link in the description below. It's easy to stop seeing the beauty in places we walk past every day. We get visually numb. But if a visiting photographer came to your town, they'd likely spot things that you just take for granted. Think like a filmmaker on a tight budget. You need creativity because familiarity breeds blindness. Try this. Go for a walk and pretend you've just landed from a foreign country. Look up, look down, change your walking route. Use a different lens. Anything to break your visual habits. You could even challenge yourself with a constraint. I'm only going to photograph doors. I'm only looking for reflections. Or like me today, I'm only shooting with one lens. Try shooting from unexpected angles, low to the ground, even lie on your back and look straight up, or through something. Put it in your foreground, like a window, a bus stop, a railing. These limitations force you to slow down, to observe more closely and experiment. Suddenly, your local streets become a playground. You'll start noticing beauty in every detail and stories in the things you normally walk straight past. Our brain tends to filter out repetitions, rows of windows, similar bricks, fences, signs, tiles, but these are gold mines for strong compositions. Train your eye to spot patterns, colours, lines, symmetry in your daily surroundings. A row of bicycle racks, a stack of boxes, or even a wall with repeated shapes can become the foundation of a powerful image. You can use colour contrast too. Red on grey, blue on yellow. There are opportunities hiding in plain sight. By focusing on structure and design, even mundane architecture becomes visually engaging. You'll start seeing order in chaos and beauty in the overlooked. I've said this many times, but some of the most powerful photos tell a story, not of a famous landmark, but of a feeling, an emotion, a coffee cup on a windowsill, an abandoned child's toy, graffiti on a wall. Each tells a story without needing words. Emotional impact triumphs visual spectacle. If your photos tell a quiet story or evoke a feeling, it will have far more power than a generic postcard view of a famous location, no matter how well composed and exposed it is. Viewers connect emotionally with images that feel authentic and human. You're no longer just chasing pretty scenes. You're creating photographs with soul, and these are the kind of images that connect with people. Even in the most ordinary place, there's always a story waiting to be told if you're looking closely enough.
Excuse me, do you mind if I take a photo of you at all? I'm just making a video teaching people how to sort of tell a story with their photos, and it just looks nice for you reading the paper and sitting there.
Okay.
Yep, thank you.
Let me recap. Great photography starts with not what you see, but how you see. Light is everything. Look with fresh eyes. Look for patterns, reflections, textures. Change your perspective and tell stories. So why not start today? Grab your camera, walk around your local neighbourhood with fresh eyes. You might be surprised what you find. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.